Hello everyone, I'm Chen. Today we'll talk about home charging station. Actually, the plug-in hybrid PHEV does not necessarily require a charging station, but good to have. Electric vehicle EV charger currently divided into 3 levels. Level 1, slow charger, level 2, fast charger, and level 3, super fast charger. Level 1 is the slow charger. In fact, there's no need to install additional charger. You could use the charging cable come with the vehicle. Connect to a regular 110 volt or 120 volt outlet. Many plug-in hybrid PHEVs such as Toyota RAV4 Prime, Lexus NX 450h Plus, Hyundai Ioniq are all in this category. The advantages of level 1 charger is easy to use. Plug and play wherever you go. The disadvantages is the charging speed is relatively slow. They can only charge approximately 5 km per hour. To fully charge a battery with cruising range of 60 km on an ordinary 110 volt will take about 10 to 12 hours. But if you want to fully charge a pure electric vehicle with a few hundred kilometers range, with level 1 charger might take a few days to go. In this case, level 2 EV charger will need to be installed. Level 2, also named fast charging, use 240 volt AC power supply. To charge a 60 km range PHEV with 32 amps will only take 2 hours, or fully charge an electric vehicle overnight. The price of level 2 charger varies from $500 to over $1,000. The most popular and reliable brands and models are listed below this video. Some charger has Wi-Fi connection and you can monitor and control the charger from long distance. However, more and more new vehicles offers their own cell phone application, support the same features, so you can choose accordingly, depends on your budget. Here I have 2 recommendations. One is called ChargePoint, widely selected and used by most dealerships. The average price is about 1,000 Canadian dollars. The other one called Juicebox, many positive reviews online too. When purchasing EV charger, you will be asked to choose outlet connection between the 1450 plug or 615 plug. It's a little confusing. In fact, there's not much difference in function between the two. NEMA 1450 plug has 4 pins. Left and right each side pins provide 120 volt, total of 240 volt. Our NEMA 650 plug has only 3 pins. NEMA 1450 plug is widely used for electric appliances such as a stove, and RV are also use 1450 outlets. When it comes to installation, due to 1450 plug has 1 wire more than 650 plug, wiring and installation costs will be a little higher. Consider the relatively low cost of installation. More and more electric vehicles using 650 plug. My recommendation, if you have an RV at home or plans to buy an RV in future, consider install 1450 plug. If the wire distance is relatively long, consider using 650 plug. There are 2 ways of wiring, hard wire or plug-in. If you choose hard wire, your charger can increase about 10 amps, which brings up 10 kilometers of extra cruising range per hour. For plug-in connection, you will need to install an extra outlet. Sure, that will add an extra expense, but you could use this outlet to connect other appliances or charging RV, etc. Or if you move or upgrade your EV charger in few years, you could just unplug and take away yourself. The cost of installation is probably the most frequent asked question. It's a case-by-case estimation. Generally speaking, it will cost around 1,000 to 2,000 Canadian dollars. The main considerations are the difficulties of wiring and installation. For condo owners, you might also need approval from a syndicate of condo association. I've heard someone spend a few $1,000s extra to install in some buildings. So if you do not own the electric vehicle, there's no rush to install a level 2 charger for now, because the new charger model with the latest technology will be launched every year. But if you'd buy a new property, better install a charger before moving, especially on some older buildings, you might need to upgrade the electric panel too. If you purchase a plug-in hybrid vehicle PHEV, there is no need to purchase a level 2 charger. Just plug to an ordinary 110 volt outlet overnight and you could get a vehicle fully charged. But if your schedule can ensure 10 hours of daily charging, better install a level 2 charger, which charge much faster, and you could also apply subsidies for now. The level 3 chargers uses 480 volt DC. Major public charging station and the Tesla fast charging stations are all in this category. You could have 250 kilometers cruising range just in an hour. While level 3 charger is only designed for electric vehicle, not for plug-in hybrid. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Richard Chen. See you next time.